Hello friends, our today's activity is radial paper sculpture. For this we'll need different color marble papers. You can take marble color papers of your choice. First, we will fold this marble paper in small square. So first we'll fold it into a rectangular shape. Then we'll fold this into half. It will start looking like a square shape. Open this paper. You will see the crease lines. We will cut along the crease lines. So we have cut our square paper into 4 small squares. Now we'll take each paper. I'm going to show you 2 types of folds. So this is our first fold. Now for a second fold, I'm taking a different color paper. I'm folding this small square diagonally. So this is our second fold. This is our first fold and the second fold. So I have finished folding these papers in the 2 different folds that we saw just now. We'll keep them aside. We'll start arranging these papers on a drawing sheet. Arrange these folded papers in a symmetrical circular form. So you can arrange them according to your choice. You can take single color, or if you want you can take 2 colors. Just arrange roughly and see what kind of design do you like. Once you have fixed your design, you can glue it perfectly. I'm just trying out different ways to arrange my papers so that I can get some designs. Maybe I like it this way. This is much better. See, I'm trying out my different arrangements. If you directly glue it, then you will not be able to move your radial arrangement. Once you have finished your arrangement, you can start gluing these folded papers on your drawing sheet.